Rules of exponents. X to the power of m times x to the power of n equals x to the power of m plus n. To multiply powers with the same base, add the exponents. Example: x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 5 plus 4, which is equal to x to the power of 9. Find the product of the quantity negative 3a squared b cubed c to the power of 4 and the quantity 2a to the power of 7 b to the power of 5 c to the power of 8. Multiply the numerical coefficients. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. A squared times a to the power of 7 is a to the power of 9. B cubed times b to the power of 5 is b to the power of 8. C to the power of 4 times c to the power of 8 is c to the power of 12. Multiplying different bases can be simplified if they have the same exponent. Example: 2 cubed times 5 cubed can be written as the cube of 2 times 5, which is equal to 10 cubed, and this is equal to 1000. X to the power of m divided by x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of m minus n. To divide powers with the same base, subtract the exponents. Example: x to the power of 8 divided by x to the power of 5 equals x to the power of 8 minus 5, which is equal to x to the power of 3. Another example: the quantity 6x to the power of 7y to the power of 5 divided by the quantity 3x cubed y squared is equal to 2x to the power of 7 minus 3 y to the power of 5 minus 2. This is equal to 2x to the power of 4 y cubed. Dividing powers with different bases can be simplified if they have the same exponent. Example: 9 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4 can be written as the quantity 9 over 3 raised to the power of 4. This is equal to 3 to the power of 4, which is also equal to 81. The quantity x to the power of m raised to the power of n equals x raised to the power of m times n. To simplify power of power, multiply the exponents. Example: the quantity x to the power of 3 raised to the power of 4 is just equal to x to the power of 3 times 4, which is also equal to x to the power of 12. Another example: the square of the quantity 3a squared b cubed c to the power of 4 is just equal to 9 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 6 c to the power of 8. X to the power of 0 equals 1. A non-zero base raised to a zero exponent is 1. 2 to the power of 0 equals 1. X to the power of negative n equals 1 over x to the power of n. A non-zero base raised to a negative exponent equals the reciprocal of the base raised to a positive exponent. Example, x to the negative 3 equals 1 over x cubed. Another example, 5a to the power of 4b raised to the power of negative 5 equals 5a to the power of 4 all over b to the power of 5.